Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for further information or help. So guys, if you're also facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on payment and shipping, and from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time in your device. So I do this and go back, and now tap on sign in and security, and from here tap on change password and change your Apple ID password, and again go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from here. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, restart the device and sign in your Apple ID again, and again tap on payment and shipping and add your payment method again in your device. So guys, tap on payment and shipping, and from here add your payment method again in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.